Hi, this is Sean from AssetIntel, and I'm back with this month's the October edition of our video newsletter Inside AssetIntel. This month we have got some interesting product updates, an update on our client collaboration, and all about how AssetIntel stole the show at the NEB PP 2025 conference. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and check out what's happening inside AssetIntel this month.
Hi everyone, my name is Kenny Tom. I am the product manager for Emergency X at AssetIntel. Today I will walk you through some of the newest improvements to our emergency management platform. This month, we're excited to highlight 4 new improvements in Emergency X. First, we have made improvement to the archive status in the weekly sync. When an asset is archived in InspectX, the same status is synced to Emergency X. Flood alerts will no longer display archived assets. This saves managers extra step in filtering out such structures, making the workflow more seamless. Second, cover photos are now part of the weekly sync from InspectX to Emergency X as well. When you go to an asset, the image automatically updates from the latest approved inspection in InspectX and being synced over to Emergency X. This helps users quickly identify assets at a glance. Third, we have made improvement to the inspection photos so that new photos will always appear at the top to minimize scrolling. So let's go to an inspection to demonstrate. Click on Inspect and go to the Note section. As you can see, there are 2 photos here, and when I add a new one, the new photo will appear at the top. Previously, new inspection photos will always appear at the bottom, so users would constantly have to scroll down to input caption. Now, new photos will always appear at the top, making it more efficient for inspectors in the field. Lastly, we have improved the list section so the scroll position no longer resets after an operation. So let's go to Flood Monitor. This is the alerts list. Let's scroll towards the bottom and perform an operation for bridge 22151. I'm going to click on Approve Alert. As you can see, the scroll did not reset. The page doesn't refresh anymore, so users can stay at their previous spot, which significantly improves the user experience.
Hello, my name is Ida Narbebal, and I am the Customer Success Engineer here at AssetIntel. And today I'll be sharing some of our monthly InspectX updates with you. So this month I have 2 updates to share with you. The first one is an improvement we've made to the maintenance management section. So if we navigate there, we now see that we have a map tab next to list. And this is a feature that's been requested by multiple clients, namely to be able to see your maintenance recommendations on the map. So we can filter down to a smaller selection of these maintenance attributes, and you will see those mapped out by each structure. And we can search for maintenance recommendations by drawing a shape like this. And we can search the selected by this. And from here, we can also navigate to that list view, and we can get the details of these maintenance recommendations from here. And the second update is an improvement that we have made to the error checker within inspections. So if we go to an inspection and we then navigate to the Review tab, which is where you have the error checker, we now see that there's a new toggle up here. And what this toggle does is that it allows you to either see all of the errors associated with this structure, or if we toggle it to hide, we only see those errors that are associated with items existing within this inspection. So think about how your inspection forms are set up with certain attributes. Now, the error checker here is only going to show and focus on those errors that the inspector is able to update within this inspection. So that hopefully will help your inspectors to focus on just those errors they are able to correct within the inspection, hopefully make the error checker more usable for you all. And those were the 2 updates I had, and I will see you all next month.
Well, folks, we are sincerely proud to announce that the Minnesota Department of Transportation, MNDOT, has officially procured EmergencyX as their incident management platform. EmergencyX will help them plan, monitor, respond, and recover and manage their affected assets during times of emergencies like floods and earthquakes. We sincerely hope this collaboration goes a long way and look forward to MNDOT to go live with EmergencyX as soon as possible. Hey folks, as I said, AssetIntel has stolen the show at the Northeast Bridge Preservation Partnership, or the NEBPP 2025 conference. Well, we've got some snaps for you to check out. Here you go. Well guys, that was all for this month's update on what's happening inside AssetIntel. Thank you so much for staying tuned in till the end of the video. By the way, we've got some very interesting case studies. The latest one that we wrote was about the city of Los Angeles and how AssetIntel's products have helped them reach new level of operational excellence and efficiency. Well, to check that out, just go ahead to assetintel.co/case studies. We'll leave a description link down below. Well, as I said, please go ahead and check out our products. We've got InspireText, EmergencyX, and ManageX somewhere up there. Till then, stay subscribed.